Yo, what up, y'all? So I got a new package here. This came all the way from Japan. Ordered something of one of my favorite pro wrestlers. Here we go. Let's get into unboxing this. Alright, use the scissors. I'm gonna tape here, taped up pretty well. So let's see what we got here. Got that. We will right off. Yeah, there we go. There we go. All right, and here we go. We got the Mayu Iwatani baseball jersey. I've been wanting this for a while. It got sold out pretty quick, and then they put them back on sale. This is her marigold baseball jersey. Now, they didn't have XXL, so I had to just get XL. Hopefully this will fit me all right. Here we go. Feels pretty good. Feels pretty good. Looks cool. Mayu on the back. Got that marigold. Marigold on the side there. And then we got, ooh, look at this side. This side's got that Mayu Iwatani with her dog. The icon. All right, let's check this out. Let's try to put this on. See if it fits. It might not fit that well. Because usually I have to order one size up whenever I order stuff from Japan, but they did not have XXL. They only had XL. So, yep. I went with the XL. Hopefully maybe I can lose some weight and then wear it around, but all right. Oh yeah, I got the Hannah shirt underneath there. My hair is all in the way. There we go. Seems like it might fit a little bit snug. Slightly snug, but not bad, not bad. All right, check that out. There we go, the Mayu baseball jersey. Sweet, well, that's it. Look at the back. Not bad, not bad. Pretty cool. I like my baseball jerseys, so when I saw these, I knew I wanted it. They sold out pretty quick, but then they made more, so I got it now. Cool. Another addition to my baseball jerseys. Baseball jerseys of wrestlers, but I have a few that aren't. But anyways, that's it. I got another video coming up pretty soon. Actually, a couple more. I'll see you guys next time though. Thanks for watching.